everyone, welcome back to my channel Teacher Narsal. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. So for today's video, we will talk about adding fractions to part 2 and apply Cubes method in solving any word problem. Example, add 3 and 4 over 9, 1 and 7 over 12, and 6 and 3/4. So for this word problem, we will apply the Cubes method. Cubes method, C stands for circle the numbers. U, underline the question, command, or request because sometimes the given is command or a request, not a question. B, box the operation clue. E, evaluate the numbers. S, solve and check. Okay, for our first C, circle the numbers. So we will circle 3 and 4 over 9. So we will circle also 1 and 7 over 12. Circle 6 and 3/4. The next is to underline the question, command, or request. So in this case, we don't have a question, so we will just underline the command or request. So if you have noticed, the command is to add this 3 and 4 over 9, 1 and 7 over 12, and 6 and 3 over 4. Next is to box the operation clue. So for our problem, we will box the add as our operation clue. Next is to evaluate the numbers. So in our problem, add here means plus. So we'll plus 3 and 4 over 9, 1 and 7 over 12, and 6 and 3/4. And after which, we will now solve. So we have 3 and 4 over 9 plus 1 and 7 over 12 plus 6 and 3 over 4. So we'll copy 3, the whole number. Next, the whole number 1. And then next, the whole number 6. So we will add them. And then for 4 over 9. So as you can see, this fraction is dissimilar. So we'll change them into similar fraction. So how do we change this into similar fraction? Of course, by finding the least common denominator of 9, 12, and 4. So we look for a number to be multiplied in the denominator of which the common denominator is to be found, or the least common denominator. So for 4 over 9, we will multiply 4 over 4 to come up with 16 over 36. So we look for a number to be multiplied in 7 over 12 in order to get the denominator of 36. So for 7 over 12, we will multiply 3 over 3. So we will get the denominator 36. So that is 21 over 36. So 7 over 12 times 3 over 3, that is 21 over 36. And also in the case of 3 over 4, so we will multiply 3 over 4 by 9 over 9. So we will get 27 over 36. So meaning to say the LCD of 9, 12, and 4 is 36. So we now have the solution. So in 4 over 9, it becomes 16 over 36. And then 7 over 12, it becomes 21 over 36. Then 3 over 4, it becomes 27 over 36. So as you can see, here is the solution. This one and this one. And then we will add the whole number, 3 plus 1 plus 6, that is 10. And then 16 plus 21 plus 27, then we copy the LCD, which is 36. So we copy the whole number, so we will add 16 plus 21 plus 27, that is 64 over 36. So our answer is, this is not yet final because 64 over 36 is a mixed number. So we'll change that into, 64 over 36 is an improper fraction, so we'll change that into mixed number. So the result now is 1 and 28 over 36. So we'll have a new whole number, which is 1. So we'll add 10 by 1. 10 plus 1, that is 11 and 28 over 36. So this 28 over 36 becomes 7 over 9 because of getting their lowest term. So in here, 64, this one, 64 divided by 36, that is 1, remainder 28. So our quotient 1 is our whole number, and then the remainder 28 is our numerator. So this is changing improper fraction into mixed number. And then in the case of 28 over 36, we will reduce that to lowest term. So the GCF of 28 over and 36 is 4, because in changing, in reducing lowest term, we need to find the GCF. So the GCF of 28 and 36 is 4. So that is 28 divided by 4 is 7, 36 divided by 4 is 9. So the lowest term of 28 over 36 is 7 over 9. So we now have a final answer, which is 11 and 7 over 9.